Hey, my name is Herman, and in this video I would like to show you how Stape Analytics feature works. What is Stape Analytics? It's a tool that helps you recovering requests. Without server-side tracking, it could be just lost. It's awesome for marketing agencies which are optimizing ads and for online business to get more data in terms of analyzing user behavior and optimizing ads as well. Stape Analytics is free, easy to use, and let's dive into a few details. Analytics works based on logs, where we store all requests we got from your server side, which we define as two main categories: ad blockers and tracking preventions. You can check total number of requests for last 10 days, 30 days and 90 days. What does it mean record from ad blockers? If your browser had some extensions or some internal ad blocker tools and you don't have server-side tracking installed on your website, you just lose your requests and record from tracking preventions. These requests will be affected by cookie restrictions. If this percentage is huge, here it gives you understanding how important for you to bypass ITP browsers restrictions like by Safari or Firefox. One more important thing: to be able to track recovered from ad blockers requests, you have to use our free custom loader. It's located in Power Up section. Actually, it modifies your GTM code in a way that ad blockers doesn't block your requests, and these requests are sent to Stape server. The next section, requests by clients, GTA for request. As you can see here, we have a list of requests, not event names, because you might have a bunch of different custom events name. We define it as other. By the way, let's check it in logs. Here we are going to logs and we can select type other and our client G4 show logs. As you can see here, we have a bunch of different requests under event type other, and let's check it. Now we're going to URL and looking for EN, event name, and this is user engagement. As an example, almost 13% could be lost because of ad blockers, and like near 4% could be affected by cookie lifetime stuff. Requests from bots. For some online businesses, it's a pain point. We detect these requests too. Request by consent choice. This block is about how many requests we could lose because of consent, for consent accepted and not accepted. And the last but not least, request by browser. General information regarding the usage by browser. Total number of requests from most popular browsers like Safari, Chrome, and combined data other from bunch of different browsers. Actually, that's it. You can use Stape Analytics feature for free. Hopefully this video was useful, and see you in the next video.